Waterfall model is an important and widely used software engineering model. It is designed to guide the construction of complex software systems. This model requires every phase of product development to be completed and documented before the subsequent phase can begin. It is a sequential process where progress flows in a downward direction like a waterfall, hence its nickname. Each phase builds on the results of the previous one, so it is important for each phase to be well defined and finished. The phases of the waterfall model are requirement analysis, design, coding and testing, implementation, and support. The requirement analysis stage is where the customer's request is analyzed and formalized. Steps such as collecting data, identifying stakeholders, creating roles, setting expectations, and organizing project goals are completed. The analysis stage consists of breaking down the requirements into a language the software can understand. In the design stage, the software system is planned with input from user interface design, database design, and security features. During the coding and testing phase, the actual software is written and tested for errors. The implementation stage involves integrating the tested software into existing systems and getting it ready to go live. The final phase of the waterfall model is the support phase, where any necessary training and maintenance is done. One of the advantages of the waterfall model is that it allows for a lot of upfront planning and makes progress easily measurable. Another advantage is that there is a clear error identification process due to frequent reviews and testing of the software code. One of the drawbacks of this model is that it does not allow for much flexibility. It makes it difficult to adjust project specifications when the customer changes their mind about a feature or design. Additionally, because the process is linear, any errors in the early stages can put the entire project at risk. This is perhaps one of the reasons why the waterfall model has been largely replaced by a more modern model, such as Agile software development. The waterfall model is the original software development model, and it is still used in some specialized cases. It is the basis of many of the modern software development approaches, and it remains a foundational model for software engineering. While the model has many advantages, it has also been criticized for its rigidity and lack of flexibility. To overcome the shortcomings of waterfall model, an incremental model of software development was introduced. This model delivers parts of the software functionality in several stages. The iterative development process utilized in this model allows for better design and a reduced risk of errors. The iterative and incremental model of software development has largely replaced the waterfall model for most project types.